Hello everyone, today I will show you how to type vertically on Adobe Illustrator file. Open your Illustrator file with Adobe Illustrator. Now click on this type tool and press and hold. Here you will find this vertically type tool. Click here and active and put your mouse cursor and click. Now you can vertically type here. Type vertically. Move and see this. I'll change font size now. And see this vertically already type. Also I'll type vertically here. Type and see this. In this way you can type vertically your text any place as you like. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.